Good day everyone. Today we are going to discuss NCERT book questions of chapter 2 acid, base and salts. This is part 2 video. Already I have discussed 10 NCERT book questions in the part 1 video. In NCERT book page number 28, question number 1 is you have two solutions A and B. The pH of solution A is 6 and pH of solution B is 8. Which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? Which of this is acidic and which one is basic? So here first of all we have to consider solution A pH 6. It means it is less than 7. It means solution A is acidic. Then solution B, its pH is 8, that is more than 7, and it means it is basic solution. So in the question they are asking which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration, which is acidic, that will have more hydrogen ion concentration. So we can give the answer solution A have more hydrogen ion concentration. Next question is which one is acidic and which one is basic. So here by the pH 6 and 8 we can say solution A is acidic and solution B is basic. So in the answer we can write a pH value of less than 7 indicates an acidic solution while greater than 7 indicates a basic solution. Therefore the solution with pH 6 is acidic and has more hydrogen ion concentration than the solution of pH 8 which is basic. Question number 2 is what effect does the concentration of H positive aqueous ions have on the nature of the solution? So here as the H positive aqueous ion concentration will increase, the acidity of the solution will be increased. H positive aqueous ions are responsible for the acidity. So as their concentration will increase, acidity will increase. As their concentration will decrease, acidity will decrease, or we can say basicity will increase. So in the answer we can write concentration of H positive aqueous ion can have a varied effect on the nature of the solution. With the increase in H positive ion concentration, the solution becomes more acidic, while decrease of H positive causes an increase in the basicity of the solution. Question number 3 is do basic solutions have H positive aqueous ions? If yes, then why are these basic? Yes, basic ions or basic solutions also have the H positive aqueous ion concentration, but here the H positive ion concentration is as compared to the hydroxide ion OH negative ion concentration, this concentration is less, and that's why the total effect is because of hydroxide ion concentration, and that's why they are basic. So in the answer we can write yes, basic solutions also has H positive aqueous ions. However, their concentration is less as compared to the concentration of hydroxide ions, that makes the solution basic. Question number 4 is under what soil condition do you think a farmer would treat the soil of his fields with quicklime calcium oxide or slaked lime calcium hydroxide or chalk calcium carbonate? So here we can see all these three salts, quicklime, slaked lime and chalk, which are calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide and calcium carbonate respectively. They all are basic salts, and if the farmer is using to treat the basic salts in the soil, it means its soil is more acidic and he wants to reduce the acidity of the soil, and that's why he is using basic salts. So here we can say that soil is acidic and the farmer wants to reduce the acidity. if the soil is so in the answer we can write if the soil is acidic and improper for cultivation, then to increase the basicity of soil, the farmer would treat the soil with quicklime, slaked lime or chalk. Now at page number 33 in NCERT book, question number 1 is, what is the common name of the compound CaOCl2? Here this we have studied in the theory, it is bleaching powder. Although this bleaching powder formula is CaOCl2, though the actual composition is quite complex, but here we have to learn the chemical formula of bleaching powder, that is CaOCl2. Now question number 2 is, name the substance which on treatment with chlorine yields bleaching powder. Here we know that treatment with chlorine, and chlorine gas is produced during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride brine. Then this chlorine gas is used for manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. That formula is CaOH whole twice. So here the correct answer is calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice on treatment with chlorine yields bleaching powder. Here also we can give the equation CaOH whole twice reaction with the chlorine Cl2, it will form CaOCl2 plus water H2O. Question number 3 is, name the sodium compound which is used for softening hard water. So here first we should know what is the hardness of water. If there is some of the calcium and magnesium salts present into the water, they are responsible for the hardness of the water. And in the theory we have studied the washing soda, sodium carbonate 10H2O can be used for removing the permanent hardness of the water. So the correct answer is washing soda Na2CO3 10H2O is used for softening hard water. Question number 4 is, what will happen if a solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated? Give the equation of the reaction involved. So here when we are using sodium hydrogen carbonate in some of the dishes, then it is going to be heated, and the reaction means when we are using it during the cooking, it is going to be heated, and there is the formation of sodium carbonate Na2CO3 and water and carbon dioxide gas, and this is used for the various household purposes and especially for cooking. So in the answer we can write, when a solution of sodium hydrocarbonate is heated, sodium carbonate and water are formed with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. The last question on page number 33 is question number 5. Write an equation to show the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. Now first of all we should know the formula of plaster of Paris, and the formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 half H2O, or we can say calcium sulfate hemihydrate. That is plaster of Paris. when we react it with the water, then 1.5 molecule of water will react with this, and then there will be the formation of CaSO4 2H2O, and which is called gypsum. And this reaction we can observe when the doctors use plaster of Paris for supporting fractured bones in the right position. Plaster of Paris is a white powder, and on mixing with water it changes to gypsum, once again giving a hard solid mass. So the equation is CaSO4 half H2O plus 1.5 H2O. It will give CaSO4 2H2O, which is called gypsum. So students, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel NCERT Science Mantra, and thanks for watching the video.